Welcome to Daily C1 English Vocabulary, 5 business idioms. To sound like a native at work. Let's begin. Ballpark figure. A rough estimate or approximation when you don't have the exact data yet. Synonyms: rough estimate, approximate number, educated guess.
How much will the new license cost us?
I don't have the quote yet, but a ballpark figure would be around $10,000.
When can you deliver the project?
Ballpark figure 3 to 4 weeks, depending on approvals.
Would you be able to confirm the pricing today?
I can give you a ballpark figure now and a detailed breakdown tomorrow.
Crunch time. A short, critical period of time just before a deadline when everyone must work extremely hard. Synonyms: the final push, deadline pressure.
Can we schedule a meeting tomorrow?
Not really. We're in crunch time before the product launch.
You look stressed. Everything okay?
Yeah, just crunch time. 3 major deadlines this week.
Why is everyone still in the office?
It's crunch time. We present to the board tomorrow.
Pull the trigger. To make a final decision and take action, commit to something. Synonyms: go ahead, make it happen, take the plunge.
Are we hiring that candidate?
She's perfect. Let's pull the trigger and send the offer today.
We've been discussing these changes for months.
I know, let's finally pull the trigger and commit.
Move the needle. Make a noticeable impact or significant progress toward a goal. Synonyms: make a difference, have an impact, shift the gears.
Is this new strategy working?
The data shows it's starting to move the needle in the European market.
We spent $5,000 on ads, but sales haven't changed.
Yeah, that small budget isn't enough to really move the needle.
Put a pin in it. To pause a discussion on a specific topic with the intention of returning to it later. Synonyms: postpone, shelve it, come back to it later.
Should we discuss the logo redesign now?
Let's put a pin in it and focus on the website first.
I have some ideas about restructuring the team.
Good. But let's put a pin in it until the quarterly review is over.
Today we've learned ballpark figure, crunch time, pull the trigger, move the needle, put a pin in it. You'll see them again in future videos, so they'll stick in your memory. Subscribe and watch our podcast to dive even deeper.